Hey guys, Sneaky Kitty Game Dev here, and in this video I want to cover the basics of enums, or enumerators. Now basically, I guess it'd be kind of better if I show you. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a very simple enum, so enum, and let's just give this one a name of my enum, something very simple. And we can give this a couple different types. So first one's going to just be value1, or let's actually call this one food. Then we can do another one called water, and then this one will be air. And actually, let's give this one of earth types, something like that. Now, what we can do is just have a variable of this, so earth types. Let's call it earth types, and we'll set it by default to equal food. Yeah, I just realized that doesn't match up with earth types, but it is what it is. Now what we can do is if earth types equals food, we can print out a simple log. So earth type is food. And then basically otherwise, we're going to print out something else. So we're going to see out. Let's just do earth type is not food. All right, so that's basically how we have it set up. Now, this is a very simple way to kind of do comparisons in a readable fashion. So if I run this, you can see earth type is food because I set it to food. If I set this one to water, you will see earth type is not food. So it's kind of like a way you can interact and set different types. Well, not types per se, but different values while still using a readable language. That is not something like, integers or something like that. So behind the scenes, this very much is kind of like an integer. And you can optimize this a little bit farther by going through and using well, like I've covered in, let me actually bring that video up really quick. So just like I brought up in the bit packing video here, where we use an enum, and basically we use this to heavily optimize it. So this whole thing here is only 1 byte, but we get 8 different values out of it that we can set to be either true or false. So it basically allows you to kind of do it in a more optimized fashion, I guess you could really say. So anyways, that's pretty much going to wrap this one up. I can go ahead and show you the, that doesn't matter. If you want to watch that video, watch it. It's basically like a way of optimizing this for a specific use case. But anyhow, that's going to wrap up this video. Enums are basically kind of a way you can set up and compare and contrast and check what a value is equal to when it's within like a set range. So that range here being food, water, and air, and you do your normal comparisons just like you would with anything else. You just got to basically set it, and you can alter it later on. You can check it, but the main thing is you're using readable information. And you can also see the list of the types as long as you know what it is, such as this one being of earth types. We can do earth types, : and here we have a list of the types. So air, food, and water. So very simple, but at the same time, very useful. Anyways, that's going to wrap up this video, and I'll see you in the next one.